Welcome back, guys. This is Pirate Garage.
Temo,
Red.
and we pulled the engine out of the turbo RSX that was making that really weird sound.
Yeah, about ready to pull this engine apart, so I'm gonna get started. Now it's time to remove the head bolts, or in the case of this engine, the head studs. When you initially torque the head, you start from the center and work your way out. But when removing the head, you want to do the outside in. Ready to come off. You're too crooked. There you go.
Put something.
Oh yeah. Found it.
What do we got?
So pulled the head off, sure enough, this piston has way too much play. So probably got hot, overheated, overexpanded, and now it's a little bit too skinny. So there's our problem.
How many pistons?
Really just the one, and I will be replacing it. So stay tuned for next time, and I will be putting this engine back together with a new set of pistons. Thank you.